Hello, good morning mga ka-Romerland. So ito na yung ating 7 by 15 na swimming pool project dito sa Danau, Hanilay. Ayan. So ready na po siya mga ka-Romerland. So ito na yung ating fountain for the kiddie pool. Ayan. And of course our cascading waterfalls doon sa ating pinakamalaking pool dito. So this is it. Ito na siya, and functional na po siya mga ka-Romerland. So as you can see, so on this October 5 mag-open na po tayo dito yung ating Paradise sa Park Angel. Okay, located at Danau, Hanilay at Abonados Residence. Ayan, so as you can see mga ka-Romerland, perfect na po yung ating pool, and pwede na po siyang paliguan, no? So this is it, our 7 by 15 swimming pool together with our motor pump, the filter system, fountain. We have the fountain for our kiddie pool and all mechanics sa ating fountain dito. Ayan, so maganda siya, very functional na, and of course sa mga gustong pumunta dito no, October 6 after ng opening, magpa-schedule na po kayo ng inyong slot for this event kasi open na po ito for the public. Ayan, so sa mga gustong magpagawa ng kanilang swimming pool, mag-message lamang sa ating FB page Romerland Landscaping Services or Iloilo Romerland Landscaping Services, or call us at 0916-649-8459. Look for Romar Marquillero, landscaper and swimming pool constructor. Ayan, sa mga gusto magpa-develop dyan ng kanilang inland resort or mini inland resort or residential po, swimming pool, ayan, jacuzzi. So mag-message lamang po sa ating FB page Romerland Landscaping Services. Our office located at Ibawan Norte, Mandurriao, Iloilo City. Look for Romar Marquillero, Tatak, Romerland. Bye bye.